When you get the Rug Doctor home, simply unlock the handle and pull it back up into the upright position. The next step is to prepare the cleaning solution by adding Rug Doctor carpet detergent to the machine and topping up with hot water. To reach the red base tank, remove the white recovery tank by unclipping and pulling down the wire retaining handle from over the clear dome. Fill half a coffee mug with Rug Doctor carpet detergent and pour it into the red base tank. Then top up with hot water to halfway up the mesh filter. Put the white recovery tank back in position and refit the clear dome, making sure it sits flush around the opening. Then replace the retaining wire back over the dome to hold it in position. The white rocker switch on top of the machine has two settings. The left setting is for using the hand tool, which we'll look at later on. The right setting is for carpet cleaning. This is the one we want to use now. It's important to know that if you select the hand tool setting by mistake and without the hand tool hose fitted, cleaning solution will spray continually onto the carpet until the setting is corrected. Push the vacuum on switch. Now tilt the machine backwards slightly and press the red spray button on the top of the handle to release the cleaning solution and start the brush action. Wait until you see the solution spraying out of the side of the machine, and then tilt the machine back onto the carpet. Now slowly pull it backwards, holding the spray button down all the time and making a straight run down the carpet. Never push the machine, always pull it. As the cleaning solution sprays into the fibres and the brushes move rapidly backwards and forwards, deep down dirt and grime is agitated out of the carpet and powerfully sucked away, leaving the carpet deep cleaned and rejuvenated. The vacuumed dirty water passes through the dome and into the white tank. Just before you reach the end of a run, release the red spray button for about 2 paces so that all the cleaning solution can be vacuumed up. Then tilt the machine backwards slightly and wheel it into position for the next run. The white recovery tank is almost translucent, so it's easy to see when it's nearly full of dirty water. To empty the white recovery tank, turn the machine off. Pull back the retaining wire from over the clear dome and remove the tank. Empty the dirty water into your kitchen sink or toilet. Just look at the colour of the water. Rug Doctor sucked all that dirt out of the carpet. Now refill the red base tank with the same amount of Rug Doctor cleaning detergent and top up with hot water to the same level as before. Use lukewarm water for wool carpets. Fit the white recovery tank back in position and snap the retaining wire back in place and resume cleaning. When the job is done, simply wheel the Rug Doctor out of the room and allow the carpet to dry completely before replacing furniture. Although the machine will have extracted about 80% of the water, the carpet will still be slightly damp. To help speed up the drying process, open the windows or turn on the heating. The drying time is approximately 2 hours. 1 pass is normally sufficient to clean most carpets. For a really dirty carpet, the second pass can be attempted, but no more. It's important not to over-wet the carpet. First, pull out the grey pipe attached to the black vacuum hose in the machine and push it into the end of the grey hand tool hose, making sure it's a tight fit. Second, detach the braided carpet cleaning solution hose by pulling down the ring on the nickel-plated quick release connector. Then insert the hand tool's braided hose. It will click shut. To ensure it's correctly fitted, gently tug on the hose. Some machines have a brass quick release connector. With this type, pull down the brass ring and the braided hose connector will release itself. Then pull down the brass ring again until you can see the silver ball bearings and insert the hand tool's braided hose connector. Release the brass ring, making sure it has snapped fully back into the closed position by gently tugging on the hose. Before using the hand tool, make sure the rocker switch on top of the machine is set to Hand Tool. Remember, never switch the machine on until the hand tool hoses are properly connected and you've set the mode switch to Hand Tool. Otherwise, cleaning solution will spray continually from the bottom of the machine. Now the hand tool is ready to use. It's perfect for cleaning upholstery, stair carpet, around skirting boards and reaching awkward places. Squeeze the hand grip to spray the cleaning solution onto the carpet. Push down and pull the hand tool backwards so that the cleaning solution and brush penetrate the carpet fibres to release the dirt. The machine has the same suction and same cleaning power as it does when it's cleaning carpets. As part of your hire agreement, which you signed when you collected the Rug Doctor before returning it to the store, you should prepare it for transportation. This includes emptying both tanks of any remaining water, otherwise it might leak out into your vehicle. Make sure the bottom of the machine is free of any carpet residue or other obstructions. As part of your hire agreement, the machine must be returned in a clean condition to the store. Finally, wind the electrical cable back onto the side of the handle and clip it securely if a red cable clip is provided. When you return the Rug Doctor, please advise the store of any accidental damage that occurred when you were using it, so that Rug Doctor can carry out the necessary repairs. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it helps you get the most out of your Rug Doctor cleaning experience. If you need further advice about operating the machine or using any of the Rug Doctor cleaning products, please call our customer service team